Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to activate Windows 10 for free. So it's a very simple process. I'm actually gonna go ahead and confirm that my Windows 10 is not activated. So let's head straight to start. It's right here at the bottom left hand corner. Go to settings. Once you are in settings, at the bottom left hand corner you see update and security. Click on it. Go down to where you are seeing activation tab. Let's click on it. And so right here you can see it's telling me Windows is not activated. So let's minimize out of this tab and head straight to the browser. Click on your browser. In this case I'm using Firefox. Any browser will get the job done. So open your browser, type Windows 10 activation txt. Click enter, and so we are going to click on the first link that appears. Let's click on this first link here. Now it will present you with this type of script. We are gonna go ahead and copy the whole script. You can press Ctrl A on your keyboard to highlight. So now we need to copy the whole of this script right here. You can do that by right clicking and copy, or Ctrl C. Let's minimize the browser. Head to desktop and right click. Go to new, and at the bottom right there you can see text document. Let's create a new text document. So now you can see I have my new text document right here. Let's go ahead and open it. Then paste your script right here. You can Ctrl V or right click and just select paste. Go to file and save as, that is. Now we clear the whole of this text and name our file as activation.bat. Save as type, select all files, save. Now minimize this. You can see right here it's telling me threats filed. Now before we run our script, let's go ahead and turn off the virus and threat protection. We do that by clicking on start. Type Windows security. Go to virus and threat protection. Scroll down to where it says manage settings. So we'll be required to turn off real-time protection. Let's go ahead and turn it off. Cloud delivered protection, we'll go ahead and turn it off. And lastly, automatic sample submission, turn it off also. Right here it's telling me virus protection is turned off. So now I think we are good to go. Close this. Now as you can see I have my script right here at the desktop. Let's go ahead and right click. Select Run as Administrator. So now it's saying activating your Windows. You can see here activate Windows 10 8.81.10 for free. And that's it. Product activated successfully. Would you like to visit my blog? Yes or no? Just click on no. So now my Windows 10 is fully activated, and I can even confirm that by going to settings. So just click on start and go to settings. Click on update and security at the bottom left hand corner. go to activation. As you can see here, it says videos is activated. So that is how you activate videos for free. So thank you guys all for watching this video. Comment, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next one.